All right, here's our second in the series of graphing. We're going to graph from slope-intercept form. So we're going to start at the y-intercept, kind of like point-slope form. The name tells us the information we have. So the slope is going to be our m. This is going to be the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is going to be the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. The y-axis is this one, the vertical axis. This is going to be the spot where it crosses. So we're going to use the y-intercept to start. We're going to use our slope to navigate, much like point-slope form. So if we zoom in on this first one, we see that this is the y-intercept. So this is going to be the point 0, 3. So we're going to start at the point 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to start right there, and we're going to use our slope to navigate. So much like we talked about in the previous video, we can put that -4 on top and that 5 on bottom. So let's take this negative sign and apply it to the top to start with. Whoops. And apply it to the top to start with, like we have over here. That's going to tell us to go down 4, and it's going to go right 5. So down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to go right 5. Down 4 and right 5. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and right 5. So we're going to be somewhere over here. Now, notice we're off the page. We can flip the script, and we can take that negative sign and put it down from here, because up here and over here, these are going to fall on the same line. So we're going to call +4 on top. We're going to go -5 on bottom. This is going to force us to go up 4 and left 5. So back from our starting point, we're going to go up 4. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to go left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to land right here. And then do it again. What you'll see is that's going to take you off the charts. So it would be somewhere up here, but we're off the charts, and you see that these fall in a nice line here. So we've got enough to go from here. So there is your line. From slope-intercept point, we start at the y-intercept, and that's going to be the number hanging off the back here. And then our slope is going to tell us how to navigate. So once again, look right here. This tells us that we're going to start at the point 0, -10. And my slope here is 2, which we can write as 2 over 1. Tell us to go up 2 and right 1. So let's start at 0, -10 down here. My slope tells me to go up 2 and right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. And if you just go the length of the graph, up 2, right 1, you see that you have a nice, pretty line. And you start at the bottom here, down here, so there's really not any going left with that, left and down, because you're going to be off the charts with that. So just drop your arrow there, and that's where you go. So that is graphing from slope-intercept form. Use your y-intercept as a starting location and use your